Welcome to our step-by-step guide on installing a garbage disposal in a single sink. Today, we'll walk you through the process with ease and confidence. Before we start, gather your tools: a garbage disposal unit, plumber's putty, a wrench, screwdriver, pipe connectors, and electrical supplies. First, ensure safety by turning off the power and water supply. If there's an old sink drain, remove it carefully. Now let's mount the disposal. Apply plumber's putty around the flange, secure it with the mounting ring, and attach the disposal unit. Next, connect the plumbing. Attach the discharge tube to the drain, and if applicable, connect the dishwasher hose. For the electrical setup, plug the unit into an outlet or hardwire if needed, always ensuring the power is off during this step. Once everything is in place, it's time to test. Run water through the sink and check for any leaks. Turn on the disposal to ensure it operates smoothly. Remember, avoid over-tightening connections and always use proper wiring techniques. Never reach inside while the unit is powered. And there you have it, a successfully installed garbage disposal. For more tips and professional services, contact Seattle Appliance Service Pros.